Hi.
Oliver, at first, congratulations, and we can begin from the first part of the day. What do you think when you make this accident in the final of quali?
When you push the limit on tracks like this, often you find a wall. So yeah, that's what I was there to do. So I was obviously quick, I was comfortable, I was confident, pushed a bit too hard, found the wall. The guys did a great job to fix the car, and we managed to do the job in the race.
And what you can say about the race?
Well, the race was intense, was stressful. Obviously, in the beginning, I was trying to save as much energy as I could behind Taylor. Then I decided I wanted to take the lead to make the pit stop a bit easier. Then everything was going well, apart from the last attack mode. I dropped too far back from my liking, and it was a little bit risky, but we managed to survive.
And you said in the press conference that you feel strange noises in some moment of the race, and you think the worst.
I had a weird noise on the way to the grid, and then I could hear it on the first lap. And then I had a lot of alarms during the race. I think it was probably related to the incident I had in qualifying.
And for tomorrow, what you can say?
Well, hopefully I do the same.
Thank you very much.